Namaste guys, welcome to your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Guys, this is the first video of the initiative, the India series, which would cover information about India's rich culture, heritage, history, geography and of course geopolitics. The series begins with the ancient civilizational history of India, and yes, we are talking about Indus Saraswati civilization, commonly called as Indus Valley civilization. The topic will be covered in multiple parts with various aspects covered separately. This part focuses primarily on the infrastructural aspect of Indus Saraswati civilization. We all know some well-known facts about Indus Saraswati civilization, as it being one of the oldest four known civilization to mankind, like that of the Egyptian, Mesopotamian and Sumerians. The Indus Saraswati civilization is known to exist from around 7000 BCE to 1500 BCE, making it one of the oldest known civilization. However, what made Indus Saraswati civilization interesting was the sheer size of its habitation. Indus Saraswati civilization spread across India, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Iran with total area coverage of about 13 lakh square kilometers. It not only made it the biggest of all of the four great civilizations, but for comparison, Indus Saraswati civilization was 20 times bigger than the Egyptian civilization and 12 times larger than the Egyptian and Mesopotamians combined. This large habitation supported a population of more than 50 lakh individuals, which was once again the highest among all. The sheer capacity or size of Indus Saraswati civilization was based on the fact that it was established between two mighty rivers known to mankind, one of them being the Indus or the Sindhu river, which flows today in Pakistan, and the other being the long extinct Saraswati river, which once ran through the present Thar desert of Rajasthan in India. This humongous population needed large habitable infrastructure, and the Indus Saraswati civilization was built exactly for such large human settlement. The Indus Saraswati civilization had a well-planned, standardized urban city settlement infrastructure. The urban settlement was based on an egalitarian model with little to no known class hierarchy, unlike the Egyptian or Mesopotamian, which had a monarchical model of governance and settlement. This city was divided into two parts as citadel and lower town. The citadel was located on a height separated from the lower town. This can clearly be seen in the Mohenjo-daro excavation. Both the sections were built near the floodplain of the rivers and thus were walled from all the sides. The town was built in north-south direction, as it was in between the drainage area of Indus and Saraswati river. The city was a perfect example of a world-class infrastructure, with each house built with its own drainage system and well for water requirements. The drains from every household joined the common sewer system, which then drained far away from the city. The citadel was a place of administration and common storage facility for the town. Such was the planning that during monsoon floodings, the outer wall used to prevent flood waters from entering either the citadel or the town area. The most important aspect of Indus Saraswati civilization was its hygiene, which was visible from the great bath that was built in the center of the citadel. The great bath was built with waterproofing method by using compounds like bitumen and had capacity to hold water for around 500 citizens. Such similar kind of water bath could be found in Europe only 1200 years later during the Roman era. The Indus Saraswati civilization exhibited the first urbanized human settlement of not only India but even world. Such was the planning behind this infrastructure that after the great migration of Indus Saraswati civilization people towards the Gangetic plain, it took more than 1000 years to rebuild similar kind of urban settlement, that too of inferior quality when compared to Indus Saraswati civilization. Stay tuned to know more. Like and subscribe your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.